Good morning, friends. In the last lectures, we started problems related with the ideal gases. Uh, Still, some of the problems remains, and that is related with the constant pressure process and constant volume process, and constant uh, pressure process, constant volume, and constant temperature process. That's why I am continuing some of the problems that are important. So some of the problems may be asked during the examinations. So that's why I am taking 3-4 or more problems in the today's class, and after this class we will go study reversible adiabatic process and polytropic process. So please note down today's first problems. So problems are easy. Try to solve the problems. 1 kg of air, 1 kg of air having an initial volume of 0.3 cubic meter is heated at constant pressures of 3.2 bar until the volume is doubled. Calculate a bit heat added second work done and third bit initial and initial and final temperature of air. Take Cp equal to 1.03 kilojoule per kg Kelvin and R equal to 0.2927 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. And this is 292.7 joule per kg Kelvin. And this is given data. So solution. So actually this is initial and final temperatures. Initial and final temperatures of the airs. This is third bit, but this is first bit because by using relations P1 V1 equal to MR T1. Initial volumes 0.3 cubic meter is heated at constant pressures 3.2 bar. Now this is 3.2 into, we'll take 10 to the power 5 because 1 bar equal to 1 Newton per meter squares. Mass equal to 1 and this is R equal to 292.7, T1 equal to 3.2 into 10 to the power 5 multiplied by 0.3 divided by 292.7. This is equal to 327.98, means approximately 328 Kelvin. So this is initial temperature, and T2 by using again. So this process is the having initial volumes at constant pressure. Constant pressures means volume 0.3 is double. This is V1 and this is V2, V1 and this is V2, and this is P1 equal to P2, right? Now by using P2, V2, MR, T2. So again, this is P2 equal to constant, so that's why we can consider this is 3.2 into 10 to the power 5. V2, this is volume is doubled. Volume is double means 2 into 0.3. This is M equal to 1, R equal to again 29.2 T2. T2 equal to. So this value is doubled means multiplied by 2. This is 656 Kelvin because only difference is the double, and this other terms are same. So that's why we can write this. So what is next? Heat added. First bit, heat added equal to. So heat added equal to, you can consider these equations is the mCp into delta T. Q equal to mCp equal to 1 point, m equal to 1, Cp equal to 1.0033, and this temperature's difference 656 minus 328 means this is 328. Multiplied by 1.03, and this is 328.984. So what is unit? Cp kilojoule per kg, and this is kg, and this is kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and this is Kelvin. This will get cancelled and this will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 328.984 kilojoule. And this is your first bit. Second bit, work done equal to. Work done equal to this area indicates work done by the, and here's what is formula? P integrations 1 to 1:2 means, and this is P dV. This is general formula, basic formula. By taking this is P dV 1:2, or this is nothing but V2 minus V1, or same you can write this is MR T2 minus T1 also. P2, V2, V1, V1. You can take any equations Suppose this is R 292.7 and this is 328 directly, and this is joule. Sorry, I am making mistake. We have to consider these equations only. Precious. This is precious equal to, now P equal to, this is 3 into 10 to the power 5. We are considering this Newton. V2 0.6 minus 0.3 means 0.3 and 3. Now this is 0.9 into 10 to the power 5. What is unit? Joule. And 3 into 3. 90 kilojoule, you can see. And last bit, initial temperatures we already calculated. Initial temperature equal to 328 Kelvin and (656 Kelvin). So these are the answers. So this is on constant pressure process. Again we will see one problem that is based on the constant pressure process. One kg of nitrogen, 1 kg of nitrogen is at a temperature of 150 degrees centigrade occupies a volume of of 0.2 meter cube. The gas undergoes a fully restricted constant pressure expansion without friction to a final volume, without friction to a final volume of 0.36 meter cube evaluate the final pressure final pressure, final temperature, final temperature, Vernon, heat transfer, and change in entropy. Change in entropy. Take Cp equal to 743 joule per kg Kelvin, R equal to 297 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Always remember, if this is given in point, this is kilojoule, and if this is a 297 or 292, that is in joule. So in this problems 5 bit asked. We require more space, so that's why I split this board in 3 parts. Final pressure, 1 kg of nitrogen at a temperature of 150, T1 equal to 150, so that's why this is plus 273 and this is 3 to Kelvin. Volume of V1 0.2 meter cube, restricted, constant pressure, expansion without frictions to a final volume. This V2 0.36 meter cube, this is given, and so first we'll use this is final pressures. This initial pressures and the final pressures both are same at a temperature occupies 1, 2, P1, and this is equal to P2. This is pressures, this is volume, and this is V1, and this is, you can say, V2. Now by using equations, P1 V1 equal to mR T1. At T1 this is given, so we can calculate P1 equal to P2. P1 equal to mass 1 kg is given, this is 292, T1 equal to 323, and V1 equal to 0.2. This is you will get in terms of Newton per meter squares. 292 into 323 divided by 0.2, and this is 4.71580 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter squares, or 58 bar. And this is P1 and this is P2 equal to, because since P1 equal to P2. So this is your first bit. Second bit, final temperature. Now for final temperatures, you can use P2 V2 equal to M or T2, P2 equal to. So this is we already calculate 4.7158 10 to the power 5. V2 equal to 0.361,292. This is T2. T2 equal to multiplied by 0.36 divided by 292, and this is 581.4 Kelvin. What is third bit? Verdance. So again, Verdun equal to what is formula? P into V2 minus V1, and this is P equal to 0.7158. This is 0.36 minus 0.2, and this is 10 to the power 5. Otherwise this is in bar. So you'll get this is unit Newton per meter square multiplied by meter cube. So this will get cancelled, and you'll get this unit is the Newton meter. 0.36, 0.2, 0.16 multiplied by 47580, and this is Newton meters, means this is or joule. Now for convert this is in terms of kilojoule, and this is 75.452 kilojoule. Verdun equal to. But its next steps is the fourth answers is the heat transfer. Heat transfer is equal to Q equal to what is formula? mCp into delta T. This is basic formula. M equal to 1, Cp equal to, and this is given 743. We'll take this is 0.743, and delta T, this temperature difference. This is T2, 581.4 minus 323. Q equal to 581.4 multiplied by this is 191.99 means kilojoule. So what is last step is the change in entropy. So change in entropy, this is nothing but delta S or S2 minus S1 equal to, this is nothing but dq divided by dt. So Q equal to heat added equal to, and this is 192 kilojoule, and this temperature difference is the 581.4 323. $581.4 minus 323, this is 258.4. Actually, this is integration 1:2. Sorry. So here's because change in entropy, still this is not to be studied. This is equal to Cp into dP divided by dt. This is Cp and Cp into log of E T2 divided by T mass. So that's why this is 743 log of E, and this ratio 581.4 divided by 323. Multiplied by and this is 0.436 and entropy's unit is the again kilojoule per kg Kelvin, because this will get cancelled and Cp unit above the Cp remain same. So this is your second problems. Now we will see some of the problems that are related to constant temperature process. So please note down. This is first problems, that is on the constant temperature process, is isothermal process. For isothermal process, PV equal to constant, means PV V raised to 1. A mass of 0.8 kg of air at 1 bar and 25 degrees centigrade is contained in a gas tight frictionless piston cylinder device the air is now compressed to a final pressure of 5 bar. During the process, heat is transferred from the air such that the temperature inside the cylinder remains constant. Calculate the heat transfer and work done during the process and directions direction of each in the process. Each in the process. So what is mean of this directions in the process? Directions in the process means transfer of the heat from system to surrounding or surrounding to systems, and transfer of the work done from system to surrounding or surrounding to systems. If the transfer of the means generations of the work done, the system generated, that is the positive, and if the surrounding, that is work done on the surrounding on the system, that is negative, and if the transfer of the heat from system to the surrounding, that is negative, and if the transfer of the heat from surrounding to the systems, that is positive. So this is meaning of the directions in the process. So in this case, according to the Boyle's law, means PV equal to constant. Yes, state 1, state 2, and this is PV. Here's 1 you can call, and this is constant, pressures versus volume. So what is given data? First we will extract given data. P1 equal to 1 bar, T1 25 plus 273, this is 298 Kelvin. The frictionless compressed to a final pressure. So P2 equal to 5 bar. During the process, heat is transferred from air so that the temperatures inside the cylinder remains constant. This T1 equal to T2. Calculate the heat transfers and work transfer. So here's solution. PV equal to constant means P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Now this is the relations. So what is to be calculated? Heat transfer and the work done. So change in entropy, that remains same. Work done equal to P1 V1 into log of E. Right. So first bit, work done equal to mr log of E T2 divided by T1s. Sorry, this is P1. mr T1 log of E. This is P1 divided by P2. This is correct. Or otherwise P1 V1 into log of E. Same relations. M equal to 0.8, R equal to, this is not mentioned, molecular weight also not mentioned. So R equal to, you can assume 287. This is standard value 287. Assumed 287. T1 equal to, this is 298, and log of E 5 divided by, no sorry, and this is 1 divided by 5, because P1 equal to 1 bar. One divided by 5, this is minus multiplied by 298 multiplied by 0.287 multiplied by 0.8. This is negative 11 kilojoule, and this negative sign indicate work done by surrounding on the system. Right? So it is next steps. Second step, heat transfer. According to first law of thermodynamics, Q equal to W plus U, and W plus U2 minus U1, and this is constant temperature process. So that's why this U2 minus change in entropy, because this is constant temperatures, so that's why this is negative, and this W equal to again 110 kilo joule. So that's why here's heat transfer, this negative sign indicates heat transfer from the system to the surrounding. This is your today's third problems. So one or two problems we'll take, that is on constant temperature process. 1 kilogram of air contained in a closed system at a 100 kilopascal 100 kilopascal contained in a closed system at 100 kilopascal and 300 Kelvin is compressed isothermally till the volume halts is complete. During this process, it is also stirred. During this process, it is also stirred with a torque of torque of 1 Newton meter 1 Newton meter at 400 RPMs for 1 hour. For 1 hour. Calculate the net work done on the system assume R equal to 0.285 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. This is given data. So this is also simple problem. So first bit were done and here's steers, so that's why were done equal to, we can consider W1. What is formula mRT1 into log of E, and this is V2 divided by V1. This is formula contained so we request halves till the halves. So it is meaning so this is halves means it is doubled. That's why we can consider this is 1 kilogram M. This is 285 T1 temperature. This is 300 Kelvin, and this is log of E. This is 1 divided by 2. Halves, this is double name. This is halves means 50%. So that's why this is means that is compressed. This is compressed. That's why half means this is 50%. Now we'll take this W1 equal to 0.5 minus into 300. I got this is minus multiplied by 285, and this is minus 59.26 kilojoule, and this is the work done. Now during stirring, work done equal to, so we can calculate this is P into time. P into times, so that's why P equal to, what is formula? P equal to 2 pi NT divided by 1000, because we are considering this is in RPM. So that's why 2 pi N RPM given, this is 400, torque 1 Newton, and this time in minute. So this minute and this minute will get cancelled. Otherwise, if we are considering this is 10 to the power 6, means this is in we are considering this is RPMs, but this is T in Newton mm. So that's why multiplied by 60 divided by 1000. 400 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 2 pi divided by 1000, and this is 150.79. This is also negative. Why this is negative? Because this is work done by the surroundings on the systems. This is kilojoule. Negative sign due to during stirring work done by the surrounding on the system. So that's why net work done equal to W1 plus W2, and this is 59.26 minus 59.26, and this is 150.79. This is 210.05 kilojoule, and this is your expected answers. So today I taken a few problems related with the design up of the related with the constant pressure process and constant temperature process. So that's why today I stop here, and we'll continue remaining articles, that is the reversible adiabatic process and polytropic process, in the next class. Thank you.